Credit Karma Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. You'll find direct links to Credit Karma in the description below. Credit Karma isn't a traditional credit repair service, but it plays a major role in helping individuals monitor, understand, and improve their credit over time. It's designed for everyday consumers who want a free, user-friendly way to stay on top of their credit scores, identify issues, and receive personalized recommendations for improvement. The platform provides access to free credit scores and reports from TransUnion and Equifax, updated weekly, along with insights into what factors are affecting your credit. One of its most useful features is the Credit Score Simulator, which shows how specific actions, like paying down debt or opening new accounts, might affect your score. It also offers alerts for changes on your credit report, helping users quickly catch identity theft or reporting errors. While Credit Karma doesn't directly dispute items for you, it empowers users by pointing out negative marks and guiding them on how to address them, including linking out to dispute processes. It also recommends financial products like credit cards or personal loans that match your credit profile, which can be useful if used wisely. The strengths of Credit Karma lie in its simplicity, zero cost, and educational value. It's perfect for individuals who want to take control of their credit without paying for a professional repair service. It's mobile-friendly, fast to sign up, and requires no deep technical knowledge. However, its weaknesses include the lack of direct credit dispute services, no access to Experian data, and occasional marketing-heavy product suggestions that may not always be the best fit. Also, while helpful, it's not a replacement for a full-service credit repair agency if you're dealing with more complex or legally sensitive credit issues. Still, for the average consumer, Credit Karma is one of the most accessible and transparent tools available for credit health management. If your goal is to track your credit, understand what's holding it back, and make smarter financial decisions over time, without spending a dime, Credit Karma is an excellent starting point.